What stretching really does to your muscles. What if I told you that a simple stretch, yes, the one you skip every morning, could reshape your muscles, boost your strength, your posture, and even keep you younger longer? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, here's the shocking truth your body has been hiding from you. How stretching actually changes your muscles. Everyone knows stretching feels good. But very few people understand what stretching actually does inside their muscles. Today, we're going deep into the fibers, the fascia, the nervous system. And we're uncovering the real science that transforms your body with just a few minutes a day. When you stretch, your muscle fibers don't just pull. Inside each muscle are tiny units called sarcomeres. These are the engines that contract to move your body. When you stretch, your sarcomeres slide apart, like someone gently pulling open an accordion. But here's the shocking part, your body senses this as a threat. There are special sensors called muscle spindles. When they feel the stretch, they panic and send a message to your brain saying, "Hey, we're being pulled too far. Tighten up." That's why your muscles feel stiff during the first few seconds. But hold the stretch a little longer, and something incredible happens. At around 15 to 30 seconds, the brain finally understands you're not in danger. So it activates something called the Golgi tendon organ, your muscle's built-in safety switch. Once that switch turns on, your muscle releases tension like exhaling after a long day. This is the moment real flexibility begins. Then comes the adaptation. The connective tissue around your muscle, called fascia, slowly becomes more elastic. The muscle fibers start forming more sarcomeres, literally increasing the muscle's length. Your nervous system becomes more tolerant. This means that your brain allows deeper flexibility. Stretching is not just a movement. It's a negotiation with your nervous system. You may think stretching only increases flexibility, but here's the twist, it can make you stronger. When your muscles have more range of motion, you can generate more force. A flexible muscle contracts more efficiently. Stretching increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients faster. Research even shows that consistent stretching can increase muscle strength by up to 20% over time. Because when a muscle moves freely, it performs better. Think of it like oiling a rusty hinge, it suddenly works effortlessly. Most daily pain, back pain, neck pain, hip tightness, usually comes from muscles that are shortened from sitting, scrolling, and stress. When you stretch consistently, the shortened muscles lengthen. Your spine returns to alignment. Pressure on joints reduces. Blood circulation improves. You feel lighter and younger. Your body literally realigns itself. And here's the secret. People don't have tight muscles, they have tight fascia. It's the sticky tissue that wraps your muscles like cling film. Stretching hydrates fascia, makes it glide smoothly, and reduces stiffness dramatically. In the first few days of stretching, you feel relief. But after a few weeks, real transformation begins. Week 1, your nervous system becomes familiar with stretching. Less resistance, less discomfort. Week 2, muscle fibers adapt. Range of motion increases. Week 3 to 4, fascia remodels, posture improves. You move more freely. After 60 to 90 days, you have actually rewired your body. Your muscles have new sarcomeres. Your flexibility becomes your new normal. Your pain and stiffness drastically reduce. Not all stretches are equal. Here's what science recommends. 1. Static stretching, 30 to 60 seconds. Best for flexibility and relaxation. 2. Dynamic stretching. Best before workouts. 3. PNF stretching, contract, release. Fastest method for increasing flexibility. 4. Morning mobility routines. Reset your body after sleep stiffness. 5. Evening stretching. Helps your nervous system calm down. Stretching isn't a small activity. It's one of the most powerful tools you have to change your body from the inside out. It makes you stronger. It reduces pain. It improves posture. It boosts blood flow, mobility, and mental clarity. And you can start today, right where you are, with just a few minutes. If this video helped you understand your body better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss more powerful mind-body insights from Study Vibe Network. Your body is amazing, let's keep unlocking it together.